toes, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Woo, child, tired of the bullshit. Gone, dust your shoulders off. Keep it moving, yes, Lord. Trying to get some new shit in there. Swimwear, going to the pool shit. Come now, come dry your eyes. You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, let me simplify.
I hope everyone is enjoying their evening. This week is going to be a lot of salads. I am going to start off with today, Monday, the 11th of May. I will be making honey mustard chicken. Yeah, I forgot what I was making, but honey mustard chicken. These are the chicken thighs, only a couple of them. Your Dijon mustard, your avocado, and then I'll have a salad back here, lettuce and tomatoes already in there. You see you got your bacon pieces. On this plate is the cucumbers, your avocados, your olives, your hard-boiled eggs, as well as some cheese that's going to go on top of that salad. Okay, and then the first step is cleaning this chicken, okay? So I'm going to move this stuff out the way. I don't want any raw meat on my food that's already, done. And once again, you get yourself a pair of scissors. And then you start the process of cleaning those chicken thighs. And once again, you'll soak them in apple cider vinegar. Now, you can use a knife. We've been through this before. Knives take way longer. So what am I going to use? I am going to use a pair of scissors. Okay? So let me get started. Okay. And this is the chicken, of course, like I just said, chicken thighs. Just going to simply cut them. You don't need the skin. If you like eating the skin, that's your business, I hope everyone is enjoying their day. I haven't been on in a couple days. The last one was, Pigs in a Blanket. That was like a 3-minute. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I didn't want to record the water boiling for 5 minutes, so of course I edited it out the way it needed to be edited out. I hope everybody's doing well during this corona situation. It's pretty boring. Not much to do. I've been to Walmart so much. Walking trails, trying to keep busy. Staying away from the drama, the fake shit, It's a lot of time to think about you and what you want when everything opens up, from school to businesses to banks. You just might rob one. No, just joking. No robbing of the banks, okay? But yeah. This site is called My Happy Foodie, okay? It's all together, no spaces, Instagram. I'm going to use this cup, and I'm going to add 1/3 cups of Dijon mustard. Okay. Boop. You can use a bowl if you want. Tablespoon olive oil. Well, I'll use 2 tablespoons. If I can open it like a normal person, that will probably work out well. I got this for like $2, two something and change, but I don't use a lot of olive oil, so it's good to keep it around. A lot of people are stating, hey, use olive oil when you're frying stuff. Do you realize how expensive olive oil is? I'm going to get that vegetable oil and I'm going to cook it and just have self-control and not eat too much greasy stuff, because olive oil is expensive. One of them big containers is like $7 and it's not even that big. I'm good, love. Unless I'm making something real nice and real expensive and them food stamps hit the way they need to be hitting. Get yourself a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use the fresh garlic as well. Okay, and then a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. That's 1 teaspoon. Okay. And I'm only going to use a half a teaspoon of salt, because that's just too much for me, okay? Salt is really just too much. Get yourself a spoon, mix it up. And this is how you make your dressing as well. I use a lot of ranch with my salads, but this was nice, trying something new. Okay. You're going to let this marinate for about an hour. I would prefer an hour. If you're able to do it the night before, I bet it'll taste really good. But I just been running around all day. Had to get some brakes and some rotors for my car. Tomorrow it gets fixed. Thank God. It's been making this noise. It's been getting on my goddamn nerves. And I'm going to make another dressing because I'm dipping this in after touching raw stuff. So you don't want to put this on top of the salad when you're double dipping. So I'll make another set, put the same ingredients. And in an hour I'll be back and show you how to cook it. Cover it up if you want, pop it in the refrigerator. Okay, that's pretty simple. Pretty basic. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you're watching it, subscribe. Okay, this is what it looks like. I did put it in the refrigerator. I didn't seal it though. So I turn this on, put a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to sear it. And the rest is going to go in the oven. You could cook it on the stove top if you want, but these chicken thighs are pretty thick. So 350 is what it's set at for the oven. Let this grease get hot and start the cooking. Salad's already done, which makes it so much easier. Just use a little splash of water, not even close to hot. Let that grease get hot. Okay, let's try this one more time. See if that grease hot. Okay, it's getting there. Go on and put that chicken in there. Then I'm going to make another set of dressing. Let's move this grease around some. Medium heat. You don't want to overcook it too fast. And the rest will go in the oven to make sure it is thoroughly cooked. Probably already said that. Then I'm going to show y'all the dressing. Go on, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. Why don't you throw that in the garbage? Give it a couple minutes on each side. Let it get a golden brown color. And then you just turn it over. Okay. That meat has seared. It smells so good. Go ahead. Lift it with your tongs. Place it in a pan and put it in that oven, 350. And then check on it. I'll check on it in probably 25 minutes. Okay. You gotta let that inside cook. 350. Okay. That's the end result of that chicken. I let it cool down a little bit. And I'm going to make that dressing once again. It's pretty simple, very easy. Go on and get your Dijon mustard. Get yourself a tablespoon of that again. Some olive oil. 3 tablespoons of water. Very easy, very simple. I'm only using a tablespoon. Add more if you are making more for your household. The measuring cup is being washed, so there you go. 3 tablespoons of water. 3. Tablespoon of minced garlic. Minced garlic. And it's more liquidy. If you want it thicker, add more Dijon mustard. Okay. And that's how you do it. You get yourself your salad, your avocados, your cucumbers. Place it right there. Okay. I'm using my hands, I sure am. A couple cucumbers. Spread some cheese on top of there. Some eggs. They ain't cut up the way they should be, but they good. Some olives. Some avocados. Excuse my little fingers. Where's those tongs at? That's not what dropped on the floor, okay? And there you go. And you cut it up if you like. Or you can just leave it just like that. Add a little more cheese. Make it look a little prettier. I want to thank you so much for watching. Go on and like, subscribe, leave a comment. Have yourself a good night. Bye.